Plastic pollution. It's a big challenge in today's world. So one of my pottery maker friend, he is showing us how we can shift towards our own culture of India. How we can replace plastic bottle with mud or clay bottle. It's a reliable and also healthy thing. Plastic can cause of several type of cancer, and it is also a big pollution threat coming towards us. Entire world is worried about this, but we think we don't have any solution. Still we have that solution. Yes, might be this is much more in weight. It's not that much handy like we could carry a plastic bottle, but still if we try we can make some change. And also it is amazing in look. So you can watch this video how he is making, and he is making all the designs on his plastic bottle, on his clay bottle. And now here our bottle is ready. Thanks for watching this video.